Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we will be doing an in-depth analysis of Amazon stock, incorporating both recent news and chart data to provide a comprehensive perspective. Starting with the daily chart, we can observe a significant upward trend over the past few months, marked by a series of higher highs and higher lows. However, the most recent candle shows a slight dip, possibly indicating a short-term correction. Let's switch to the 1-hour chart to examine this recent price action more closely. Zooming in on the last few candles, we see more volatility, with short-term fluctuations that don't necessarily reflect the overall upward trend on the daily chart. Now, let's look at the 15-minute chart for a granular view of intraday activity. We observe quick reversals and potential support/resistance areas based on recent price swings. The news shows some analysts predicting a 23% jump in Amazon stock price. This aligns well with the bullish trend observed in the daily chart, where we see higher highs and lows. The correlation suggests a strong upward momentum in the short term. However, we must remember this is only a single prediction, and it does not guarantee future performance. However, the recent price drop in the daily chart shows a short-term correction, and the 1-hour chart shows a little more volatility. It's important to look for confirmation before acting. In the 1-hour chart, we can look for key support and resistance levels based on previous price reactions. These areas may provide potential entry and exit points for day traders. The most recent lows and highs can be very useful to understand where to expect support and resistance. The 15-minute chart also shows support and resistance areas. These are important for scalpers looking for very short-term profits. To recap, the daily chart exhibits a clear uptrend, while the hourly chart shows short-term volatility. The 15-minute chart reflects intraday fluctuations and potential short-term trading opportunities. While some analysts are bullish on the potential for growth, the current pullback suggests caution. Let's filter the daily chart to focus on the last few weeks. This range allows for a more in-depth examination of this short-term correction. Looking at this filtered section, we notice a period of sideways movement before the recent slight dip. This consolidative phase could be a potential flag pattern. A breakout above the recent high suggests renewed buying pressure. In summary, while the overall long-term trend for Amazon remains bullish, the short-term outlook shows a potential temporary reversal. Traders should carefully monitor support and resistance levels on the hourly and 15-minute charts for better entry points, and watch for confirmation that the trend is turning again before making any trades. We recommend setting stop-loss orders to mitigate potential losses and use trailing stop orders as the price increases.